Construct point P in a ratio of 3 to 2 from point M to N. This is number 6 on worksheet 12.2, side AB. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is start at point M. And with the straight edge, we're going to draw a length. On this length, take your compass, and we want to measure off 5 equal parts. Why 5? Because we're going a ratio from 3 to 2, so there'll be 3 parts from M and 2 parts to N. 3 plus 2 is 5. So first, before you start marking off, make sure that you can have enough room. So if we put our compass at M, adjust to see that you're going to have enough room. And it looks like that's pretty good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll call these points R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. Reference points. Okay, so once we have equal increments on that length that we drew, we're going to start at R5 and connect it to N. Then the objective would be to construct parallel lines to this line through R4, R3, R2, and R1. And by doing that, the parallel lines will subdivide segment MN into 5 congruent parts. How do you do that? You start with your compass at R5, and you can measure any length. So you can adjust it to whatever radius that you want and make an arc. Okay, and then using the same radius, go to R4, and in the same general location, make an arc below it, as you did with the other points. And continuing all the way down to R1. Next, we want to go to R4 and then adjust the compass so that we can measure over to that first arc that intersected on the line R5N and just cross it with an X. Move your compass down to R3, cross this one, R2, R1, and point M. Okay, now we can see the intersections on each one, and we're going to draw from the reference points through each corresponding intersection of the arcs. And you're going to see that we'll end up with 5 parallel lines. There. So we can call this point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. And now if we're going to find point P, which is 3 parts from M, start at M and count. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. There's point P. And it's 2 parts to N. 3 to 2.